sparking his legacy. The Beaufort Jasper Academy for Career Excellence is hosting the first ever Lataille Legacy Challenge. It's a welding competition honoring the life of longtime career and technical education educator Ralph Lataille.
Lataille Legacy Challenge is a great tribute to Mr. Lataille. It represents some of the things he valued, obviously welding and CTE at the core, but also the socialization between kids. He was a very social man and loved to talk to people about different things, and especially CTE related. One of the things I gained from him was mentorship. I came down here as a traditional high school, middle school principal, and I had a little bit of CTE background, but nowhere near the amount I needed to run a CTE center. And Mr. Lataille really served as a mentor to me and helped me learn a great deal of the information I have today.
The Lataille Legacy Challenge is more than just a showcase of skill, it's a tribute.
Welding was his favorite content area. I don't tell the automotive and all the others, but welding was his favorite.
Welding students from Ace, Battery Creek, and May River High Schools are taking part in the friendly competition as educators, industry professionals, and more gather to honor Ralph's lasting impact through a day of welding, learning, and celebration.
This competition is super important to me and the other welding instructors here, a way of showing and give a big thanks to Ralph Lataille and his family for all the years of commitment that he has put in helping out the welding in general. This competition mirrors Ralph Lataille and what he had done for this community, of all of us getting together, enjoying each other, and helping each other be a better us tomorrow.
During the event, Lataille's family was presented with a special Legacy Challenge plaque. Lataille spent more than 20 years with our district. At Beaufort Jasper Academy for Career Excellence, Ralph Lataille, Beaufort County School District.